Five, two, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to look up for balcony mixtape. Call the DJ.
It's your boy C the MC all the way from Limpopo Beggars for get I'm with the most versatile dancer Baraki Benny. So
I get jack of all trades.
yeah. So how do you feel all the balcony mix and especially ever since the entertainment industry? Which artist are you also willing to collaborate with in the next future?
Na anywho, as long as you little combo, I can know what was get the Jotaka defender Jaka terms.
So can you kindly rate the combo balcony mix 10 and combo balcony mix 9, the previous one?
I get it, Nuggets Valley.
I get
a pale.
Shout out to Shashalaza FC.
Shashalaza FC tracker.
Hello Shandi. Uba buchaka chivendo recover nge ticket ya Licompo balcony mix.
Recover nge ticket ya Licompo balcony mix.
Rido Tangana Fountains
Valley. And the Kotata ndi ulevala. Uskalevala.
Vasango hangwa.
Oh, vasango hangwa uliza musika wanga.
Washandeshe kawade. Oza.
Na ne ke joke ke khopela tsara khopela le toilong o sendela video tshita khopela le toilong sendela ntsutsana ya Limpopo ka khopela ne ke joke na ne ke joke ka ke delete
mama
But remember, we feel music why or ready miracle. So if we don't use that music mainly because it's not around, that means we're not doing the right thing. So basically, that is just to keep the same love and respect and contribution we had for her. Now going even when she's not around.
And then one other thing, you seem to be one of the people in the game that believe so much in the young content creators, those that are trying to push their content. Where does that come from, and why do you then believe so much in the young content creators like myself?
Well, it's good but they are still young content creators who coach while they're still young, so that they don't make mistakes when they are big and then they fall instantly. So the reason why I prefer the people that are still building, it's easier to coach them, and then up there you don't need to do it. Yes, they don't make mistakes. You see others that were they are big content creators. They make a lot of mistakes at a higher level, and then they fall so hard. You see. Yeah.
And then one last thing, could you please just kindly give a shout out to Lukombo Pulse?
Shout out to Lukombo Palace. Kata Meganago.
buti hit boso wa bona le gone re kwana ka selala bathushi ba ba chase ka 5 so nna ke ga e bitso robala mo ka swele le go so re le bo buti hit boso di bethile ba go tsamaya ba tsamae nna ke robala mo ka nkane wa tseba buti hit boso go ena re e trope ngwana nna ke roba
Yalla Black Samo what ska hle shorona batho Black Samo ya Utaliano asi jwelle rona batho ke
se tšwelle motswana
Utaliano mo tapeng Utaliano ai Utaliano ka nne ya
a mo bona timira se kantšha
ga nna kwa ka e bana nna go tsamaile
a re tsebile propaganda a re propaganda
jalo batho ba ka bona ke ba shimotse
a re tla ba bona propaganda bye bye
la bona tje na di bona mo tshilo a ke lekile bana
Hello, Mzanzi Takasabga. Lukompo Balcony Mix 10 was a success despite a few complaints from 1 or 2 people about alcohol. But, you know, the event was very fruitful, very successful. People had fun. The event was held at Go Fountain Valley in Pretoria. The lineup was packed with Lukompo talent. They had Shandesh to perform for them, Janesh, Wendy Moon, Zoli White Smokes, Dem Scott, Chunko the Flavor, Small Nova, Westboy, Natalie Baka, Lekechelo. And then on the lineup, they had Nakwa, Master Kid, DJ Jara Mapula, Boshabson Moratobo, DJ Bloza. And of course, the MC was Kidiboni Sarele. Na Kidiboni Sarele Mzanzi, I can kushishi because she's a crybaby, man. Every time she goes live on TikTok, like a Friday, she's forever complaining about something. I don't understand. Life is not that bad. As much as she's an orphan, but you know, she's still blessed. She's very fortunate. She's lucky because hit boss was a platform or even MC. You know, life happens to every one of us, whether whether you're an orphan, but she has this victim mentality. Every time I life, apply this victim mentality, which is kind of annoying. But anyway, enough about her. So the Lukompo fans were asked to post their address, best looks for the Lukompo Balcony Mix on their social media platform, and then they'll walk away with 3,000 Rand. But so far, I haven't seen an official announcement about who won. Instead, what social media, what they did, they had opinions about the outfit teachers, Zoli White Smokes, Janesh, le Escape, by Google or hey, Escape wa peri engi ya bukahe, Zoli White Smokes wa peri outfit o karenga Tombstone, and then Janesh waya aperu karwa wrestling. And then Janesh explained, you know what guys, this outfit I couldn't wear it go Devon July. So I thought, you know what, this is an opportunity for me to put it on go Lukompo Balcony Mix. So I personally liked Zoli White Smoke's outfit, Leah Hit Boss, because I understand it that the outfit was carrying a message dedicated to Karishma, wishing her a speedy recovery. So we all know, Mzanzi, that how social media works. Reviews are going to be there, whether they are good or bad. You can't take away people's experiences or opinions. So let's get into it and hear what they experience and what they had to go through Lukompo Balcony Mix. And maybe Hit Boss will take this criticism and then improve Lukompo Balcony Mix.
Wanna let him? I can't check a poster. Okay. Taba ya acha go Lukompo Balcony Mix re gadile. Sala re gala gale go zone 6 when the Balcony Mix went to zone 6 so it re gadile. Oh no.
And this is Lukompo Balcony Mix 10 review. Joke. First of all, barking ticket scanning was not a problem. Ticket scanning was not a problem. When And then we're going to the major issue. Alcohol. First of all, okasere no cooler box. Ebe, the fridges are out like the fridges say 3. Let's not say single door. I connais. The stand the alcohol. Carry stand this is one is so long. You make it look like you have many stands, but it's just one long stand. Make it make sense. Also, I arrived to. Wait, I'm coming there, friend. I'm coming there. I arrived like at 2 p.m. I only got to buy alcohol at 5 p.m. 5. Can I go event to take how many hours to refill? Hit boss when I catch you. Yo. And they kept on saying, Tracker is 10 minutes away. 10 minutes away. 10 minutes, I think 45 minutes. Or an hour, 2 hours. Tracker it. First of all, Nelly, it's a register tickets. How many people you expecting? But you're not restocking. Oh, alcohol arrives 5 p.m. Immediately, I used cash to buy 6 Astropes, which was $4.50. After 2 minutes, I used my card to buy another 6. Guess how much it was? 600. After 2 minutes of buying it, I cash ka $4.50. And they don't even alert us where alcohol has increased. But for speed point was 600. Oh, shame. We're not even going to the music. We gotta go to the Pine 1 I have 5. When I stage in I didn't see any. Honestly, I didn't see any celebrity. I didn't see any celebrity stage no tletse. Even if I compare stage sawa following stage. Oh, I can't get gomboni. Mara boundaries. There was a time around 7 p.m. Normally Eddie you waking one and then they were like, this is the Lukompo Balcony mix. Shit. Eddie it repeated over 5 minutes until this is the Lukompo Balcony mix. Ed in the middle of a set. Music what then kata technical issues. What's along? Are you guys not prepared for the event? What's along? Oh wow. And I'm gonna post this. Mind you, I traveled all the way from the Val to Pretoria for Inyi. Charata transporto. Charata everything. When I get there, this is what I get. My first experience in the Lukompo Balcony mix. Oh, Nalesa we guys, it has always been like this. Nalesa bolel. Oh, carry the speed point in the 3 speed point. So if you had to pay kakadi, you had to literally scream.
There are no controlled queues to buy alcohol.
Exit Marikistan, this is a 1. Kistol is a 1. It doesn't work like that. Good event. Yo. I give it like 2 p.m. Bialan has bufedile. Never fedile have, but it's to kill a ganagoma. Ka 5. By the time when you arrived, ka 5, Nelhona Baristoka. And Nikilokopila line. But it took me 45 minutes, 40 to buy alcohol. Nikilokopila line. Bang fetas.
We are prepared, but then you guys finished the alcohol.
Kanjani. We really no cooler bag. What did you expect us to drink? Water.
Can I bring in my own alcohol?
Exactly. Or in case everybody is on a two really top zero because it's not that. Bruh, after 2 minutes of buying Astropes for $4.50, Kiraka Astropes after 2 minutes, is 600. Even a Joe being one dollar straight or 600. And she knows I have no choice but to buy because I've been waiting on that line. Lona line nothing. Utasuni wa mo line before fitla Mata kunkunyetsa so big.
Munola acho kare to problem. Achela. Munola khale acha khale. The Lukompo Balcony Mix 10 was a great success, bro. It was a great success. But I feel like the lady event is it too. Like, Nelly section, Yarena, like, Botahi, with the general public. That was our section. And then there was the celebrities. There was the celebrities, the people who were watching the whole time. Like, were you guys able to breathe? Because staging, like, the only spaces out here, man. Could you guys move around freely? Because none of you guys wanted to move. Like, what was there? What did we miss that was so important on stage? I feel like you guys are not fully experiencing the mix. Because you guys want to be seen so much. Relax, be like us. Come, have fun. I know for a fact that Bomnotana won't give praise. Bomnotana won't clap for us. Because they stuck on that narrative that they want to push. But nonetheless, man, you won't see all these media houses giving applause with what happened at Fountains Valley. They won't give applause, bro. But let something bad happen, like the accident, whatever, this one. That's what they want, because they want to push that stigma. They want to push the stigma. They don't want to give applause and praise. This is a big movement. This is the people's movement. And it was lovely being there. We had the best time of our life.
So I took a long drive. I went to Lukompo Balcony Mix. The event was fine. Everyone was there. Everybody saw me. And then I made new friends. But then there are some people who are making themselves celebrities while we don't know them. There are some people who were filling up the stage. What if for Hata the Tap was in the PC the whole of my 80-something-thousand? What if for Hata the Pigar VIP ticket for all access? All access in the stage, DJ, what another speaker, that is unacceptable. So I was there on behalf of Starlight Entertainment. That one I'll tell you about later on. So now let's talk about the people who are filling up the stage. There was Janesh with wings. Janesh couldn't even perform. Her dancers couldn't even perform right. We couldn't even point out the dancers, cause you guys were like, Chris Brown show. This is not Chris Brown show. This is Balcony Mix. We wanna see our people. We wanna see them together. We don't wanna see you. Your time will come. Everyone was filling up the stage. Everyone was like, Kiddo, alcohol is no longer available. Kiddo, perfect. Each and every event, and a maximum capacity of alcohol. I feel like he'd boss all make it, and then, but that is alcohol. How can you do? Let's do it. You are about water. I can about it also. Everyone is like, kiddo. Whoa, let's take pictures. So then now I won't forget you. But kiddo can come. Let's take pictures. Take it in everyone. Let me charity dinner. Bring a phone. I go born. I know no man at all. Fati. Can no one Mr. Shute. Can no one the likes of Nakwam. You're not singing bone. You understand? So, part 2 coming. More information. So, fortunately, Ratema, I feature our comment as well. As long as the stage is Sabu Motre, now to Tala for staging. Uto apologize, our re. Including I TV. Limuritor, whatever. Like, fortunate, whatever. Fortunate aber mogopala re mmonya botse re mfetho re ne go bona Tiny Rib, because Tiny Rib mo posting re ne go bona ke di bone ke MC, re ne go bona di post ke DJ, re ne go bona dem Scott, re ne go bona Janes le di dancer ra Janes to fa kae wena Janes o ne mapego o fa kae wena wa rotate di emmer go hao o tetšeng ka balcony lo ro bereka ka balcony o tsa bereka ka balcony motheletse ro go gopela gore tours go di etse o di tetšeng eventing, take content the drinks tše di nepele batho ka so content creator ya gore wena gore o sa tlo tala stage ska e thoma cause wa re tseba re ywane for
Lukompo Balcony Mix 10 review. All I have to say ne kore re ipsine kudu mama ni George. So as for Lena complain, I get that you guys are frustrated. I get that, but you guys must just keep in mind that people are just gonna dwell like on the negatives, bro. You guys are downplaying the fact that we had an experience. The experience was a 10 over 10. Let's just take this moment to appreciate Lekompo culture because when God...
Mabane, I attended my first Lekompo balcony mix and I have some thoughts. I have attended other Lekompo events before, but not the balcony mix specifically. So, I mean, obviously, those can be thought of as normal, right? But why be the staging? Le Janeshi over ka stage le batho ba teteng mo staging ba tshwere dege mo staging a ona ntwe ya botseli di mo staging a le performi a le opele a le DJ le jotala mo staging le tshwere dege le yeme di dancer ja chande share pala le ku di shupa ka le baka la hore le blender ine le bona Janeshi ka maphio ebile o sokotsa ke maphio ka le baka la hore le tetse stage. Why did you jolo man? Wala ko e mara ba we ba dia so. Ke bone video motho a postile Shandesha le Janeshi mo staging. A se ke mone na Shandesha. Be re ka se gone lu mo shupa ka lebaka la hore kwele stage. Ana be le se senyana stage stela. E fitlhe jang ko staging ka hore bo sna di ticket ja VIP. Ka mka re ba itse ticket ja o tshwana mara ba ngwe bona ba namela stage. Ba tata stage. Chaos. Why mara?
Lekompo balcony mix 10.
No wana Ratoua eventing ya Makompo balcony mix 10. Go fountain ga rampa Pidoria Pirar. The event was nice. The people were nice. Like the vibe is good. But the influencer, the content creator. Yo. Like as well net go eventing ya Makompo. Ke la vibe. Ke la go bona performance. Most importantly, ne ke nyaka go bona Shandesha. A ka mmona. Ke go le ba re na le gona le staging. A ka mmona. Why? Because the stage is tletse. A gone bona le di performance a wa ba fitu. Tlogalang go tla la stage a ratla lena. Emalang go mara e be le ne le usha stage. Ne le usha le stage a wa ba fitu. Nkele feng di artist chance. Na re go bona di artist ke re itletseng. Haua. Go leader di VIP ka moka. Haua banna, haua. Nkele mele morago. A le kwata. Wa le kwata marai. Nkele mele morago. Ne le usha stage. Le no tla la go staging a living. Le no tla la go staging a le dire next. Na re go bona di dancer kwa, re go bona di artist. Haua man. Tlola go itela di celebrity. And then engwe gape le boleleng le hit boss aua taba di drink di fela ka 3 yo but from 3 until 8 o'clock go sane selo aua monna go fele bjala go fele di soft drink ka 3 aua ba fitu ntho a se yona eo a lokishiweng mara lena o ga tla stage a ratlela lena a le kwata mara na ratlela lena re tle vibe re tle monate lo go bona di artist je rena di ratang le ga sa bina na taba mara ga na mela stage re ke mmo re palela go ba bona ba mela stage ka re ke le la tleng stage la ba tshira le di DJ ke le go stage a re di le ba tshira aua man aua no ara ga taba Limpopo boy ya distract mara we can't run away from the truth. No guys man, yeah man. Stopang. Wala morago. Le sinitse event ya Limpopo. Ya Makompo. Le sinitse event ya Makompo. A le kwata. Na re no go enjoy event re no go tse dingwe. Malena le bo ile morago. O di ntwe dirang go fetsa o bo ile morago. A ba re DJ le ife sebaka. Yo. A le no itira ma celebrity. Mara anyway, everything ile monate. Batho ne ba le diary interact go le bose tja dinepe go re bona ne go le sharp. Plate ya bogobe e bile 150. Oh, ka piece nyane ya nama. Mara go tshweng ke game a rieng batho ba hasela a rieng ke game. A re kopanang go engwe mara if e tlo ba sentse tswela pele ona ka mokgo le
kore ge kare wana influencer o ine di-like je dintšhi mo tiktok wa senamele stage batho ba ka se go bone wa le rata di-stage so like ke eng ntho e kgolo le di stage a re gane gore staging a ba re go namela bo mama o namele bo mama like mara wa lena le nyaka go bontšha batho gore lena ke lena straight ena le kgatlhiši jwang a le kgatlhiši jwang dirile marokgo a makutu di-ball bottom le rata go bonwa le rata attention ke eng sebile tswa ke eng botse le sane o tshwana le bana ba bangwe la ipinela kwa fase stage la sefa di-dj le batho ba go perform cause gape ba ka re le ke feel le itiputsitse le gore lena ke lena mara anyway tlhale re le tlhogo tse dikutu mo di-stageng gane stage se ra goreng stage se ra goreng go ya ka lena motho a ba traya mona ke tie bokhimonata a tamanya ka go tshwara batho ka matsogo ka di-outfit tša matšhankane shem nka ba le lwela fame yona aowa mara gane nna botse ke reng ka re na ke tuma kompo mara ke bolela nto
5 4 3 2 1 are you ready for TikTok influencers? Yay! Are you ready? Shame. I remember number 11. Maybe ba ka sa thaba mona kwa stage go re ba traisha moropa. O ka re ba kireke ya postola jwalo. Mara wrong ke wrong ka se lebile right. 2 + 2 no dula 4 ka se le 2. 1 + 1 no dula 2. Ha wa go wrong go thaba batho ba mona stage. Ba paledisha batho go bona batho ba batletseng kwa lekompo. Bathong le di staging. O di staging is wena artist. Gape ba yo le di staging e se rena di artist bathong